Hi, this is Justin Costello with MarineMax Pompano Beach. Going to give you a walkthrough tour of a brand new 2020 Sea Ray 350 SLX Outboard. Notice immediately when we step on the boat, look at all this walk space that we get. The motors are tilted up right now, and we still got an enormous amount of walkway space. When they tilt back down, you pick up another 8 to 12 inches of space. In-floor storage. Nice visibility from the helm back with the seat with non-skid on it. But then when you want to sit back here and enjoy the view, look at this. A comfortable seat, cup holders, radio controls here. Look at this ottoman. Love this. Hanging out at the sandbar, looking at the views. Great little seating area up here. Got a freshwater shower, more storage in the floor. Speakers everywhere. I got this gray snap-in SeaDeck flooring, which feels beautiful and comfortable on your feet. Automated sunshade that comes out over the transom. Walking in, very thick, cushiony, comfortable seats. The table goes right in place here, so you can use this as a dining area. Have a cocktail, have a drink, sandwiches with the family. Looking to the starboard, we have a kitchen area with a grill that runs off inverter, 12-volt refrigerator, and a freshwater sink. Again, we also have dedicated cooler storage here on the starboard side, right next to your 10-inch subwoofer. Stereo system sounds awesome on the boat. Looking forward, up top, we got an opening sunroof onto the hard top. Two 12-inch screens with a flat glass display. Everything looks clean, integrated. Got GPS, fish finder, all your engine data controls on the screens. Fusion stereo head unit. 1600 watt amplifier, automatic running surface with these trim tabs here that automatically keep the boat level while you're running. And of course, a Mercury Joystick piloting system. Skyhook, auto heading, dock-to-dock route guidance. Awesome setup. Love that you also get two really nice forward-facing seats, so you can fit 4 people forward cruising at the helm. Grab handles where you need them, recessed cup holders, and then a nice sized cabin down here. Television, air conditioning, filler cushion, so nice area. Whole side windows. You can turn this into a bed and have a nice little overnight accommodations, or put the kids down here, put on TV, run the air conditioning if it's hot. And then on the starboard side across, we have a doorway with access to our head. Dometic vacuum flush head system. Overboard discharge. Working our way forward. A really large expansive bow. We got 2 tables that have high-low pedestals, so you can put them up. Use them as opposing seats, another dining area. You can also put a filler cushion on top of these and get full frontal loungers. Again, this boat is available at MarineMax Pompano Beach. It's Justin Costello. You can reach me directly at 954-633-2070. And this is a 2020 Sea Ray 350 SLX Outboard.